In Mazoe area, Sicilian drive stop. I have to find out what the name is, but I want to show you these views. Aren't you loving those views? Mazoe Dam. I'm sure you can tell. I'm gonna give you a better view. So this is just a stop, a place along the road just leaving Mazoe town. It's on the left going back to Harare. And this is how close it is to the highway. And the mountain, of course. It looks like they had to cut this mountain to make the road. I'm not sure. And this is a playground or play area for children. So a very beautiful place to come and chill and relax with family while cars or traffic goes by. And the Mazoe Dam right behind, guys, is beautiful. So they have all these jumping castles. I would love to get down there, but I'm not gonna attempt or try to because I won't be able to come up like the young ones are doing. But very beautiful. Wow, Mazoe Dam. First time for me, it's quite funny how born and raised in Zimbabwe, but I've never been here. I've been to Mazoe once, 40 years ago, if I remember well, guys, but I never thought to stop here. I can't even remember if this was a place people could stop or is something built after the time I've been here. But I'm really, really loving it. Look at that mountain they had to cut through to make the road. It seems there's so much concrete that goes into building dam walls, and I can't just imagine the amount of work that went into this project. And it looks solid. It looks really, really solid. I hope I'm not dropping my phone, guys. Oh my goodness. I hope I'm not dropping my phone. Look at the mountains behind there. I love Mazoe for the views and the mountains, scenery. Now the water on Mazoe Dam. Any one of you who grew up in Mazoe area might be happy to see this video. We just showed you the neighborhoods that are coming up in Mazoe, especially the CBZ. So I don't see any good reason why somebody would not be interested in Mazoe area. I'm not sure where that road leads to, but wherever it's going, it's beautiful scenery, guys. They have sprinklers. Yeah, I'm sure they are getting the water from the dam. Why not? Wow, sitting area. So we're just gonna buy our food, come here, sit and eat before we proceed to Harare.
Sorry, chef, I'm not going to